viewers to Startup News at 10. I'm Abhishek. Elon Musk owned SpaceX is planning to launch its satellite internet service Starlink in India by 2022. Starlink's website is allowing users to pre-book the services for several locations in India for a refundable amount of $99. The website mentions that availability is limited to that orders will be fulfilled on first-come first-served basis. Reliance Jio has partnered with US-based short video platform Firework under the Jio Developers Growth Pact to offer vertical video stories format to 100 million plus KAIS users in India. KAIS is a mobile operating system based on Linux for keypad feature phones. Leading over-the-top OTT platform ZEE5 has suffered a data breach, one that has left the sensitive data of 9 million users exposed. Screenshots of the leaked database accessed by Inc42 reveal that it contains the name of the users, the phone numbers, associate email address and the ZEE5 usernames. Mobile retailers want Amazon India operation suspended. The All India Mobile Retailers Association AIMRA, a trade union of more than 1 lakh mobile phone retailers in India, has urged Prime Minister Narendra Modi to suspend Amazon India's operations and activities in India. An investigation is completed into the company's business practices. The group has also sought an imposition or a daily cap on a single seller's online smartphone sales. OYO offloads 150 employees to audit giant KPMG in cost-cutting measure. Gurugram-based hospitality firm OYO has offloaded 150 employees to research and consultancy firm KPMG has its looks to shed force outside its core focus areas. The company is planning to let go of employees and ancillary units like financial services to focus on its core sectors such as hotel onboarding. Delivery startup Instacart valued at $39 billion in new funding round. Instacart announced a new investment round Tuesday which values the fast-growing grocery delivery startup at $39 billion, more than double the valuation of just 5 months earlier. Sanjay Bajaj lets angel investment in Clearco startup, raises 4.2 crore in funding. Bajaj Capital Chairman and Managing Director Sanjay Bajaj led the angel funding in the clean tech startup Clearco, raising Rs 4.2 crore. Investors such as Max Group and AngelList also participated in the funding round. Competitive gaming platform IGL backs Rs 3.6 crore to increase user engagement on its platform. Mumbai-based esports gaming platform Indian Gaming League (IGL) has raised up to $500,000 in funding led by digital entertainment company Hungama and Hindustan Talkies, a digital content production company. The Karnataka state government launched its Engineering R&D Policy 2021, a first of its kind state level policy to foster innovation and address the evolving needs of the charging global tech landscape. While addressing the audience, Ashwath Narayan, CN Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, said that the policy is aimed to enabling the state to contribute about 45% of India's engineering R&D economy. That's all for today's bulletin. Thank you for watching. We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our YouTube channel. Do check out. You can also visit our website www.mystartuptv.in for exclusive interviews and programs. Thanks for joining.